Hello everyone, I'm going to share with you how I make smoked corn in my smoker outside. It is fantastic and it is so easy. So this is what I do. I go ahead and I put my corn on my smoker. My smoker is going to go ahead and smoke the corn for about 45 minutes to 90 minutes. Now my corn is actually frozen and I like to smoke mine with the husk on. Now, halfway through smoking the corn, I like to go ahead and I rotate it to the other side. Now, smoking my corn with the husk on came about for two reasons. One, my sister had called me and said she had found a really great deal where corn was a quarter each, just 25 cents each. So I said, okay, give me $3 worth. Me not really doing quite the math and figuring out how much it was. And I'm smoking my corn. We're going to have some steaks to go with it. This is going to be our dinner for tonight. So I ended up with 12 ears of corn, and so I just went on and I just froze them in a freezer bag, in a few freezer bags. So my corn is done. I smoked my corn at 250 degrees for 90 minutes. Now, if you have your husk is off your corn and you've wrapped it in foil and your corn is not frozen, you can smoke it at 225 for about that 90 minutes. The quickest that you could do the corn is for about 45 minutes, okay? Now, in the description box below, I will put that information, and so it can kind of vary based on if your corn is frozen or not frozen, husk on or husk off. The corn comes out nice and juicy, especially leaving it in the husk. The nice flavor and the sweetness of the corn really comes out. Now we're going to go ahead and I like to doll ours up. This is something that my husband family always does. We put some mayonnaise on it, and who knew mayonnaise, yes, it's good on corn. So we put some mayonnaise on it. I also put some butter on it as well. A lot of people consider this and they call this the street corn, and something that my family really loves. And so having it tonight, so I went on, I put the mayonnaise on, I put some butter on. Now at the end of the video, I will share with you all the ingredients that I use. You'll have a visual of that. Now this here is cotija cheese, and so we like to sometimes crumble that on, but if you don't have any of that, you can use some of this Parmesan shaker cheese. That's also really good on that street corn. And when I said earlier that I really didn't, do the math for how much corn that my sister was going to bring to me, and I ended up with those 12 ears of corn, we just roll with it. And so, again, that's why I went on and I froze it. And so next I put on a little bit of paprika, and you can also put some tahini on it as well if you like tahini. And I'm squeezing on some lime. We love to squeeze on some lime or some lemon. Well, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all the first bite. Go ahead and take a bite. Now I'm going to take my bite. Mm-hmm. It is so nice and sweet, and you have a little bit of that smoky flavor too, and the corn comes out super juicy. We just love it like this. Now, these are the ingredients that I use, and I'll also share a list of the ingredients in the description box. So I have here my corn. I also have my lime that I cut. So those are my lime wedges, my mayonnaise, my butter, grated Parmesan cheese, the cotija cheese, my paprika or also tahini. And then of course we have my corn here. And as you see, my corn was frozen. I just take the corn right from the freezer and went on and put it straight on the grill. Well, that is it for me today. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to show it some love, give it a thumbs up, and click share. Share this video with a friend or family. And remember, it's always good when Dyvonne is cooking for the family. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.